Start on your hands and knees with your hands underneath your shoulders and knees underneath your hips. Activate your abdominal core muscles and extend the opposite leg and opposite arm simultaneously, making sure you maintain good control through your body. Do not allow your body or hips to rotate. You should have a straight line from the tips of your fingers to the tips of your toes. For our next progression, we're going to do the same exercise and we're going to bring our opposite arm to our opposite knee and then extend back out and repeat on the other side, almost as if you're doing a crunch. For this second progression, we're going to extend our arm and leg on the same side of our body, bring our elbow to our knee and repeat on the opposite side. This is quite difficult, so make sure you've mastered the other two before you attempt this one.